Hello viewers, my name is Muhamamd Farooq. In our series of summaries of books, today I would like to share the summary of Cannot Hurt Me by David Goggins. David Goggins is an athlete. He is famous because of highest number of push-ups. He is also famous because of the longest strength of 100 miles in a day. Today in his book of Cannot Hurt Me, I would like to share 5 points, 5 things which I learned from his book. So let's start. The first thing David Goggins tells is that the power in humans. As per him, we humans do not know our power. We can imagine anything, we can become anything. But that is only possible that once we have the hardships. All those people who had the hardships in their life, who had the tough times in their life, they realize their power. If you are living in a good conditions, you never had the problems, then chances are that you will not realize your full potential. The author himself was extremely poor, and his father was an alcoholic father. He used to beat his mother and he himself, and he all the time during his life he struggled during his gym and exercise of running, and he has faced lot of problems in his life, and he as per him he realized that he can he became more powerful after all these problems. He realized that he has the power to recover and change his thinking. The second thing in the book is the 40% rule. As per the author, that we spend only 40% of our efforts whatever we do. It means that 60% of the efforts which we can do, humans are not doing to complete the tasks, and we have to put the 100% to get the maximum results. And for that we have to ready to be tough. As we discussed in the hardships section, that if you are not going to face the difficult problems, chances are that you will not be even be able to avail the 40%. If you are having difficult problems, if you are having any going through tough times, then you must be happy that you have the time to avail your 100% skills and give the 100% to your life. And with this point I would like to link the other point of the accountability mirror. Accountability mirror means that people spend their life without reflecting on themselves, that what they have done, how much effort they are doing, what were their goals. So the author says that you have to all the time see yourself in the accountability mirror. As per him, that I used to write on the mirror that these are my goals, and in case of achieving those or not achieving those, I used to held accountable myself every other day. And the third point is that remove the governors. What happens is that we humans have the governors on us. We are social animals, so we have certain governors. Someone is sitting on us and he thinks that, oh, he is doing this thing, how come he can do this thing? There in this world there are so many people, they will discourage you every other day. They will say that you cannot do this thing. Someone younger than you might be doing well than you, then you will find the people saying that, oh, you cannot do this thing. Younger people like then you are doing this thing. Everybody has his own journey. So there are governors, there are so many governors. What they cannot do, they will tell you that you cannot do it. So they will have all the time something to say. So you have to stop all these governors. You do not have to care what others are saying. You have to achieve your objective. You have to prove that you are tough. You have to give your 100% to your hardships to achieve something great. And the fourth thing is, which is something wonderful, which author proves from his own exercise, that is the ultimate key to the success. Ultimate key to the success, as per David Goggins, is the commitment. You want to do something, you first of all have to commit yourself to that thing, and then you have to give your 100%. You learn that thing. It's not like that all the experts from the day one were experts. At some day they were also beginners, but their commitment makes them the best person, makes them the champion in their field. As per David Goggins, in gym, one boy came to him and he said that I want to be as tough as I want to have a good body like your body. Then David Goggins said, and he asked for the advice from David Goggins. He replied him that start for a 50-mile run campaign today, enroll yourself for a bigger win, enroll yourself for a bigger competition. Then he said, no, I'm not ready, I have to go to gym. He said, first enroll yourself, then you will work. From this example we can say that commitment is extremely important. We have to indulge ourselves in something which will push us to work hard and do the better things. And the other thing in this book is which is the fifth point and the last point, that do not wish that my day will arrive. Most of the people live in the dilemma of that my day will come, I will be one day, I will be successful. The day is today. You want to do something, do it today. No matter what is your condition, what kind of resources you have got, as per author, that you have to avail this day. And second thing, the author says that develop the muscles of your brain, develop the muscles all the time, and this is possible by reading, this is possible by meeting, this is possible by networking. So I want to conclude it, the 5 points. I'm sure you enjoyed it. The first point is that the power of humans must identify that what are their goals, and then what are the hardships coming. You have to just face all the hardships. If you are having the hardships, you are gonna have for sure a good life, a committed and a successful life. Second thing, the author says that all the humans gives 40% of their skills, 40% of their effort to the skills. Make it 100%, you will be for sure successful. And whenever you will be giving the 100%, there will be the people, there will be the governors, they will say that you are not doing well, you cannot do it. You have to remove all of them. There is no need to listen to them. This is what the author says. And the third thing is that the ultimate key to the success, is that your commitment. You have to commit yourself to something wonderful, and do not wish that one day your day will come. And the fifth point is that build your mind, make your muscles. And another point, which can be the sixth point if you want to make it, which is the accountability. You have to all the time hold yourself accountable. The reason I brought the accountability in the fifth in my this book summary, I want you to do your accountability. What were your plans? You write your plans somewhere of 1 year ago or 2 years ago. Imagine what were those plans. You have to hold yourself accountable, otherwise there is no point of success. Your accountability, your own accountability, is the first point from where you are gonna be successful. In my previous book summaries, this is something which I am reading in every book, that your growth, your success will start from the day when you will realize that you are the responsible of your situation. Whatever happening is with you, you are responsible for it. So start from today your accountability. I wish you good luck in your success journey. Subscribe YouTube channel of Farooq Buzdar and Buzdar Insights, and share it with your friends, so that we work together, we make maximum summaries, and so that we become successful together. I'm sure together we can achieve more. Thank you so much.